Today's Professionals brought to you by The Basement Doctor.
Hi everyone, back on location with John Clements, the Basement
Again,
Doctor.
she's still out of her element.
There's some stuff going on here, John. You are going to come in and you are going to redo this room. I'm trying to envision it.
Yep.
Let's talk about these floors.
Okay.
Not only do we have water, but these tiles are all moving around. And what's
Yep.
happening here?
You can see that they've
Oh.
stuck really well. Nice and wet,
Oh.
and just kind of crumbling apart like that.
I like that, yes.
Yes, and thinking about the mud and the dirt that's underneath it.
Yes,
The stuff that can grow underneath it.
yes.
Well, one of the problems you have with finishing a basement is what do you do to the floor? Because the floor is concrete, or it's a cementatious, which is porous, and it will actually allow water vapors to come right through. So when you put something down like this that's going to actually kind of seal the concrete, so to speak, you're stopping those vapors. You're not letting that concrete breathe. We're going to have wall-to-wall carpet here.
You are.
Yes, we have a
Okay.
product that you'll see that goes down that actually acts as an underlayment. It's vinyl. It will not mold or rot, and it allows the concrete to breathe. Makes a nice, soft, cushiony feel. Makes the floor warmer, and then we can put our carpet right on top of it. And it's going to be a beautiful room. It's going to be wonderful.
And I'm guessing that whatever you're doing to remedy the floors and what's going on here with the walls that we'll be talking about, you feel pretty comfortable
Oh yeah.
going there and
The
putting
way I
carpet
met
down.
my job here, 25 years ago, this is what we did to my basement. That's how I met the company.
And you've never had a problem
Never
since?
had a problem since.
Okay, great. Thanks, John. Great information. Thanks, everybody. We will see you next time.